Hello friends, welcome to our channel GPAT Preparation Guide. Today we are going to talk about antiviral drugs. This topic include in both subject, that is medicinal chemistry as well as the pharmacology. So we will see how you should prepare for GPAT simultaneously these both subjects in one topic. Today we are only going to discuss about classification of antiviral drugs. What is the main classification of antiviral drugs? How you can remember the classification of antiviral drugs? Because in ecology and medicinal chemistry, you are going to learn about too many drugs and their classifications. How to remember each and every classification? We will give some tips about remembering the classifications. So let's see about classification of antiviral drugs. Antiviral drugs are basically classified into five types. First type of antiviral drug is anti-herpes agents. These drugs are those drugs which act against herpes virus, so they are known as anti-herpes drugs. The example of anti-herpes drugs are valcyclovir, idovuridine, famciclovir, acyclovir. The major trick to remember these drugs is that you are not known to all the drugs. You should remember only 3 to 4 drugs which you will remember at exam point. So for remembering this anti-herpes agent, there is one trick, that is val, pam, fan, and then you have to add cyclovir word to these three words. That is valcyclovir, pamcyclovir, and famcyclovir. This will help you to remember the anti-herpes agents that are valcyclovir, pamcyclovir, famcyclovir. Another part of the antiviral drugs is antiretroviral agents. What do you mean by retroviral agents? These agents are known as anti-HIV agents. Means these are used to treat HIV. These anti-HIV agents are divided further into five subgroups. First, nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, which means name itself says that it inhibits the nucleoside reverse transcriptase. Means this will act on the nucleoside reverse transcriptase, inhibits its work and show anti-HIV action. Example of a nucleoside reverse transcriptase is abacavir, zidovudine. Abacavir, zidovudine. These two drugs are mostly remembered by all the students, and these are the drugs which are asked for the GPAT exam. You can also remember stavudine. Like this, you should remember only 2 to 3 examples of each class. It's impossible to remember each drug from each class. Another subclass of antiretroviral agents is non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. First we see nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Now we are going to see non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Let's see what are non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase. Example of non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase is efavirenz, nevirapine, delavarvin. Now in these three examples, the most commonly known example is nevirapine, which will be easy to remember and you will remember it at the point of exam also. So you should at least know that nevirapine or efavirenz, these two drugs should be known from non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Another subclass of antiretroviral drugs is protease inhibitor. Protease inhibitor means this inhibits protein synthesis. Therefore, it is known as protease inhibitor. Now, these are the three drugs which are known as protease inhibitors: quinavir, idonavir, faminavir. Now, there is one common thing in these three drugs, that is navir, navir, and navir. You should see here navir, navir, and navir are the same, but their initial wordings are changed. That is quinavir, idonavir, faminavir. So you should remember that navir, any drug containing navir at the end, comes under the protease inhibitor. This is known as protease inhibitor because it breaks synthesis of protein. Another subclass of antiretroviral drugs is fusion inhibitor. Fusion inhibitors means it inhibits the fusion of virus with a host cell. Therefore, it is known as the fusion inhibitor. Infuviritide is a drug which inhibits fusion of the host cell with the virus. As you see, inhibition of fusion of virus with the host cell is, therefore it is known as fusion inhibitor. Example of the fusion inhibitor is infuviritide. And the fifth and the last subclass of the antiretroviral agents is integrase inhibitor, which is known as reltigravir. So you should know all these examples, at least 2 to 3 examples from each class. Now another subclass of antiviral drug is anti-influenza agent, means these are against influenza virus. Now these two drugs are the most important considering antiviral drugs, that is amantadine, rimantadine. These two drugs are asked most into the examinations. This class is a important class of the antiviral drugs. So you should know these two drugs, and you will know these two drugs because we are going to see these two drugs in the deep. Neurominidase inhibitor, this is also an important class which includes drugs, that is oseltamivir and zonamivir. In these two drugs, oseltamivir is the drug which is asked in each and every GPAT examination every year. One question will be from this drug, that is oseltamivir. You should preferably know each and everything about oseltamivir, the best thing to understand. And other drugs such interferons are used for the treatment of the viral infections. So we see today that is all the classification of the antiviral agents. You should know that antiviral agents means these drugs acts against some virus. So our classification starts from drugs acting against herpes agent, then drugs acting against HIV agents, drugs acting against influenza virus, drug acting neurominidase inhibitor, and other drugs. So you should remember each and every heading and 2 to 3 examples of this. Thank you for watching the video. If you like video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and please share as much as you can.